Hey friends, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. Today's video is another design duel. It's going to be fun. But before we get started all the way, if you like videos like this, consider buying me a cup of coffee. I would love it. I'll have the link in the description box. But if you are unable to or just don't want to, hey, it's okay to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. Let's get started. So as I stated, today we're talking about mid-century modern and Japandi decor. We are going to take a look at each and compare and contrast. So let's start by discussing the popularity of mid-century modern and Japandi decor. Now, mid-century modern, with its sleek lines, its organic shapes, and its timeless appeal, have become increasingly popular for its iconic design elements. On the other hand, Japandi, which is a fusion of Japanese minimalism and Scandinavian simplicity, well, it's gaining a lot of traction for its calming and harmonious aesthetic. This style is definitely taking off on all social media sites. If you don't believe me, just search like hashtag Japandi. You will see so many beautiful images. So let's talk about some of the trademarks of mid-century modern decor. Mid-century modern interiors are characterized by clean lines, geometric shapes, and a true minimalist approach to design. Now, they are not going to be an entirely minimalist type room, but you will see elements and touches here and there. The color palette is typically warm and earthy, with shades of teak and walnut and mustard yellow adding warmth and depth to the space. Furniture in mid-century modern spaces often features iconic designs like the Eames lounge chairs, something that I personally love, as well as other sleek tapered-legged furniture and really bold geometric patterns on them. On the other hand, let's dive into some of the trademarks of Japandi decor. Japandi interiors embrace simplicity, minimalism, and natural. The color palette is usually muted and neutral, with shades of white, beige, and gray that really creates a serene and tranquil atmosphere. Natural materials such as wood, bamboo, and stone are prevalent in Japandi spaces. They add warmth and texture. They almost blend outside with inside. Furniture in Japandi interiors is functional and understated, with clean lines and a focus on craftsmanship. So now, the question of the day: how can you recreate this style at home? So now that we've kind of talked about the differences between mid-century modern and Japandi decor, let's discuss how you can recreate these styles in your own home. So to recreate the mid-century modern look and vibe in your home, there are a couple of things you can do. First off, remember that mid-century modern is not very ornate. It doesn't have a ton of details. It's not super frilly. It's very straightforward. Look for furnishings that really emphasize the functioning of the piece over like ornaments. There is a definite lack of ornate frills, and mid-century modern really tends to lean towards just really simple, straightforward geometric lines. You're going to see a lot of teak, rosewood, and oak in this style. Get familiar. You'll also see quite a bit of glass, metal, and vinyl. Even though you can go with a neutral color palette, you can also go bold. Popular mid-century colors include red, sage, yellow, blush pinks, and much, much more. You're also going to try to lean towards organic shapes and patterns. And also a big thing in this home decor style is a lot of mixed materials and textures. So what I mean by that is if you have a wood frame couch, it's going to have upholstered seating, maybe mustard yellow upholstered seating. And that coupled with the line and the cut of the couch gives you a great mid-century modern piece. So I spoke about the Eames chair before, and I'm going to talk about this famous Eames chair again. It's such a hallmark of this look. Now, if you are looking for furniture pieces that really set this style off, I am going to put a few links in the description box. One is going to be from a company that specializes in replicas of the Eames chair. If you are looking for one, more than likely you want a replica because they are pretty pricey. But I do know from experience that this company has great quality pieces. I'll also find a few things from Amazon and link that below as well. On the other hand, if you are aspiring to go ahead and recreate the elements of a Japandi design in your home, I would say your biggest goal is to stay with being subtle. That's what this style is all about. Less is truly more. Now, Japandi style features really beautiful craftsmanship with a focus on quality and handmade pieces over really quickly made throwaway cheap structures. Definitely incorporate natural materials. So a lot of pieces in this style focus on natural materials like unfinished woods or bamboo pieces that bring in the feeling of nature and just a really simple, uncluttered, unfussy beauty. Of course, you can go with the most popular neutral color palette, your creams, your whites, your beiges. But if you are a person that wants just a little bit of color, you can also go with more pale colors. So like a pale green, which you can complement by bringing plants and greenery into your home just to give it a sense of outdoor living. Another tip would be to definitely reduce the clutter in your home. It's really key to achieving the Japandi style. That goes along with that simplicity motto we were talking about. It focuses on clean lines and open spaces. And a lot of people are a little concerned about this, especially if you have a very active household with numerous members, especially kids. And a lot of experts recommend going with faux minimalism. Have you heard of that? It's when you go for a minimalist look, but you have natural containers, so boxes, baskets, built-ins, folding screens, and beautiful natural materials there to hide excess stuff and to keep your space feeling clutter-free. Although you can go with pale colors, the simplicity of a mostly monochromatic palette is key. If you're going with beige, try to have several different shades of beige so you get some variety, but it's not too much going on. You really just want a zen-like scent or aura in your space. Also, if you're looking for a way to decorate shelves, try to look into ceramic bowls or accents, vases, something like that. They go beautifully in this style. Last but not least, on your furniture and your throw pillows, incorporate natural textures like rattan, linen, and wool to add warmth and texture to the space. So whether you're drawn to the timeless elegance of mid-century modern or the serene simplicity of Japandi, there is a home decor style for every taste and every preference. It's just by understanding the key characteristics of each style and incorporating them thoughtfully into your own space that you can really create a home that truly reflects your personality and your particular lifestyle. I hope you found this video inspirational. I hope you learned a few things. Please let me know in the comments section, are you more Team Japandi or more Team Mid-Century Modern? If you had to choose one. Once again, friends, I really appreciate you watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel. It will help me out. And if you want to see more, choose one of these videos right here. It's been great taking the time to hang with you today. I'll see you in the next one.